Hi friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be making mango salsa. To make this easy mango salsa, you need 4 mangoes, 1 onion, 1 jalapeno, and some cilantro. So we're going to start by peeling the mango and cutting it into small pieces. To peel a mango, you just need vegetable peeler. And the stem part you can just cut off with a knife. So now I'll throw out the peel and cut the mango into large slices first around the pit. The pit is in the middle. Okay, so here's the mango pit, and I cut all the mango around it, and the pit is going in the garbage. Now when I had slices of mangoes, I'm going to dice it into small pieces. And once I chop the mango, I will put it in a bowl. I will repeat this for the remaining mangoes. Now I've chopped all the mangoes. And the next step would be to chop the cilantro. So I chopped most of the leaves of the cilantro, and the stems I will just throw out. So let's add chopped cilantro to the mango. And now the next step would be to chop the jalapeno. Before I chop the jalapeno, I will wear the gloves because the juice from the jalapeno peppers can irritate your skin and eyes, so it's always a good idea to wear gloves. So let's take the jalapeno and cut off the stem. And now cut the jalapeno in half and cut out the seeds and membranes. So this is the jalapeno ready for chopping, and I will throw out the seeds. So let's take the jalapeno half and chop it into as small of a pieces as you can. And repeat with the other half. And now let's add the chopped jalapeno to the mango salsa. And the final step would be to chop the onion. So first let's peel an onion. I will cut off the end. And then cut off the other end. And take off the onion peel. So let's cut the onion in half. And then cut each half into more slices. And then chop the onion into small pieces. I will just do it a slice at a time. Now I've chopped the onions, so let's add it to the mango. So all the chopping is now done. And the final step would be to mix the mango salsa ingredients. Look at this fresh mango salsa. Such simple ingredients and it tastes amazing. So healthy and delicious. Let's try it. Mmm. So refreshing, so tasty. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my cooking channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.